One of the big fears or challenges is how do you integrate that human workforce, the human capital, with the digital capital, with that new technology? Are you finding that companies are coming up with new ways of doing that? How are you helping them do that?
We very much look at the role of AI as a tool to augment the human. And when you speak of management, we manage people in the sense of their creativity. How are you going to get them to do something new? What's the cool ideas they can bring to bear? Whereas you manage infrastructure like AI very much as a tool. Yes, it can do something clever, it can do it 24 hours a day, it can do it relentlessly, but we then want that to be a tool to give our employees the ability to be able to say, based on this insight, I've now got this cool new idea. Or based on this insight, I see how I can save our customers, money, or give them some new way of doing it.
Managing a new combined workforce of human, digitally augmented human, and digital-only workers requires a new set of skills, partly because the organization is a lot faster, and therefore you need to be far more adept and ready to spot changes. The second thing is you really need to understand the nature and ways in which your digital workforce can go off, because digital workers, like any workers, need good management, good leadership, and good performance feedback and monitoring.
I've seen everything from companies treating robots and automation and artificial intelligence as if it were a new employee. So how do we inject this into the workforce? How do we make sure that it's operating ethically? How do we make sure that it's following our policies? How do we make sure that it's programmed in an effective way and that it actually is collaborating with the rest of the workforce? It's an interesting way to think about it.
There's two ways to look at it. You can put some money aside for severance 2 years from now, or you can invest in training your workforce to become digitally savvy.